Alright, so unfortunately this screw got damaged, as you can see it there, and in turn it damaged the hub on here. So the way you fix that is with one of these carbon steel tap and dies. So let's see how good it is. Let's see if we can save this screw. I'm gonna have to put this in a vise or something. Add it, so go ahead. And so this is M3, M4. We're looking for an M12, and then we want M12 1.5. So it appears this is 175, so this must be 1.5. Yes, it is. All right, so once you have the correct die, put it in a vise, and then you basically, you're gonna twist here, see, like so, see? And then you can go forward with ease, you see, like it used to be. All right, so here you go. This is the 12 1.5, and same thing. So this will actually goes into a tool, this tool. So now this is all set up. This is when you go to rotate this, it's gonna want to spin. So you take a screwdriver, put it down here, that locked it in place, and then you can feed the die bit in there. So again, it's gonna fight you in the beginning. You go the other way, same thing. Just want to lock it in place. You're gonna come right out. There you go. See? Easy peasy. Let's get this all the way out. And we'll put a screw in there and see if it made a difference. So it looks a lot better. The threads look good. There you go. Easy peasy. So goes right in, goes right out. So before you can do this. So let's get this out. And yeah, that's how you fix a stripped hole there.